Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I have something very special for you. It's the LEGO Ideas typewriter. This kit has 2,079 pieces and it is gorgeous. Just look at that box design. Get the gray at the bottom, the shadows around the front, and the title with the typewriter. LEGO Ideas number 35. This is awesome. Alright, this thing's not going to build itself, so let's get started. First things first, we have to open the box to be able to start it, of course. Let's get in there. And let's see what's inside. Whoa! That's a lot more pieces than I expected. That's all in the box. In the box there's this very protected and sealed smaller packaging, which I'm assuming has the instructions in it. Oh, look at that. That is a neat picture. I like that. Is that the first? Oh, we'll look at that later. The back. Alright, let's look at this real quick. So, first page, it has some stuff. You can pause the video and read that if you want to. I will, of course, be reading this later. Here's some more history of the typewriter. Some more information. And a little bit more. I believe the instructions start, yes, right here. Alright, so it looks like there's 11. Yeah, it looks like there's 11 bags I gotta build. Alright. Let's... Oh, hold on. Sorry, one more thing. Oh, more instructions, maybe? Oh. Ah, the stickers, yes. There are stickers in this kit. There's only 2 on here. I believe that is all, though. It looks like... Oh, this is... That's cool. This is all of the languages for the sheets that you can print. That is really neat. So, it looks like the first one is English. And then, oh, I don't know. I'm not very good at this. Oh, but that is really good. Good job, LEGO. Alright. Where's bag number 1? it's the next day and I'm completely finished. I'm done. I got the paper in it. I read everything in the instructions. I read this paper. If you want to know what the paper says, you should definitely get this kit. This kit is totally one of my top 5. It has an awesome sound. It sounds just like a real typewriter. Wait for it. I love that sound. So thank you for tuning in with me today, and if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, and if you want to see more of my channel, then please consider subscribing. And with that, have a great day. Hey, so Tommy, I got that new script for that new tech. Wait, what are you doing? What do you mean, what am I doing? I'm making the script for the video, of course. Well, do not forget to subscribe on that script, because that's what mine does. And you know what? That's exactly what they should do. You should subscribe. Who are you talking to? There's nobody over there. And yes, I know what to put in my script. And plus, I don't really like to enforce subscribing on people. It doesn't seem right. Subscribe, or else you'll get a big bag of cookies. Doesn't sound right. You know what? That's it. You make your script your way. I'm done. Goodbye. I'm taking my script. Okay, goodbye. Well, all right. Wait, who was he talking to? I don't get it. He's crazy.